And then also don't limit your use of AI to just coding. There's someone helping out here. She sells bags. Yeah, so I'm helping her with social media in such a way that the bag she sells, instead of just putting the pictures of the bag on her social media, yeah, I created a virtual model for her. Yeah, so that's someone like this person. I created a virtual model based on some justifications here. And so what we do is we just tell AI to change the bag. Mhm. So I think I use ChatGPT for that. So you can also access. So just change the bag. So it changes the bag and it's almost seamless. Yeah, it looks almost like the bag. So you just send the picture of the bag, ChatGPT, and it changes it here. There I can now export that image to Flow. So Google has another AI tool called Flow. So I could convert that image to a video. Yeah, so instead of just a static image of the lady holding the bag, now we have her move around with the bag, like showing different posts with the bag. So that's one use case of using AI that is maybe not normally used. So it's not just about when you go to AI to share your problems, telling AI to give you a quick fix about your life. Yeah, so you could do things like this. Yeah, look at your business. Whatever you are doing in your business, see how AI can help out with your, either by suggesting, maybe creating a content calendar. What else can I do? It can be a content calendar. Maybe you want to post 3 times on LinkedIn. Yeah, you could tell AI to suggest content for you that you could easily post on LinkedIn. Yeah,